Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to log in to WorkRamp. It's a very quick and simple step. All you gotta do is follow along and you'll be logged into your account in no time. First thing first, open up a web browser. Let's tap in Google Chrome. And at the very top, you can see a search bar. Let's tap there and let's type in WorkRamp login, since we're going to log in. And here, make sure you tap into the official site. You may come across various sites with the same name, but you have to type in official page, which is this one, and you'll be guided to its page. Since we're going to log in, you may see a 3-line bar at the very top right corner. Let's tap there and scroll all the way to the bottom, and you can see login option. Let's tap in there, and there you go. You'll be greeted with this login page. All you gotta do is fill in those empty fields. Let's type in our password. And username and our password. And yeah, if you forgot a new password, you can simply tap this option right here. That's a forgot password. If you want to log in with single sign-on, you can simply tap in here, but yeah, we're not going to do that. And also you can sign in with Google and also sign in with the Microsoft account. That's it. Now, since we've already typed in our credentials, all we gotta do is hit that login button and you'll be logged into your WorkRamp account. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Tech Basics. Let's see you in the next video.